Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see is not a house, it's not even a mansion, but it's something only a handful of humans on this planet can afford. This is the most expensive penthouse in the United States. This penthouse sits nearly 1,400 feet above New York City. That's higher than most skyscrapers. You're not just living here, but you're above everyone. The United States average home price $430,000 inch of this penthouse, $250 million. That's over 500 homes combined. This is what you wake up to. A 360-degree view of the most powerful city on Earth. Central Park below you. Skyscrapers beside you. The world beneath you. This penthouse spans over 17,000 square feet. That's larger than most luxury mansions. But here's the difference: you're not on land. You're in the sky. Think about this: while millions of people fight traffic, pay rent, and chase success, someone lives here. Above it all. You don't walk into this penthouse, you ascend. No shared elevators. No waiting. This elevator is private. It responds to one command. You. At this level, privacy is power, biometric access, 24/7 security. No one enters. Without permission. Because when you live above the world, you don't let the world in. This isn't one apartment. It's multiple floors. Vertical mansion, living room, above the clouds of bedrooms, floating in the sky. This is not real estate, this is elevation. Yes, there's a pool. But not just any pool. A pool in the sky. Swimming 1,000 plus feet above New York City, while the world moves below you. This is how billionaires eat: private chefs, custom meals, while looking down on one of the most expensive cities on Earth. This isn't dinner, it's dominance. But here's the real question: who can actually afford this? And more importantly, why would someone spend $250 million on a penthouse? In the United States, there are over 20 million millionaires, but billionaires, less than 800. To buy this penthouse, you need a net worth of at least $3 to $5 billion. This isn't for the rich, this is for the ultra-rich. The average American home costs around $430,000. This penthouse, $250 million. That's more than 500 homes combined. While most people struggle to buy one, someone owns all of this. At this level, luxury is no longer about comfort, it's about control. Control of space, control of privacy, control of status. When you live above everyone, you don't compete, you separate. Buying it is just the beginning. Property taxes, millions per year, staff salaries, private chefs, security, maintenance, estimated annual cost, $10 to $20 million every single year. But here's the real question: does this level of wealth actually make you happy, or does it simply change the level of your problems? Because at the top, it's not about money anymore, it's about meaning. And we still haven't answered who actually owns this penthouse, and what their life really looks like. Morning starts differently here. No alarms, no noise, just sunlight touching the sky. You don't wake up to a city, you wake up above it. Breakfast, prepared by a private chef, served with a view worth millions, every detail designed for comfort. Work doesn't stop, but here work feels different. You're not chasing money, you're managing power. Decisions made here move millions. As the sun sets, the city comes alive, but up here, everything slows down. Silence becomes luxury. At night, this place transforms: lights below, stars above, and you right in between. But here's the truth: this life comes at a price most people never see. And now we answer the biggest question: is this really the ultimate dream, or something else entirely? So who owns this, the most expensive penthouse in America? The truth is, it's not just about one person, it's about a level so high, very few humans ever reach it. At this level, names don't matter, power does. From the outside, this looks like perfection, luxury, freedom, but inside, it can be something else: silence, isolation, and a different kind of pressure. To reach this level, you don't just pay money, you pay with time, sacrifice, obsession, years of risk, years of pressure, and sometimes everything. So the real question is, if you had $250 million, would you buy this penthouse, or would you build something greater? This is not just a penthouse, it's a symbol of how far ambition can go in a country where the ceiling doesn't exist.